Welcome to my channel, where I talk about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 passive income ideas that have helped me generate over $20,000 per month. Passive income is an excellent way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom, and these ideas have helped me do just that. So, without further ado, let's get started. Idea number 1, real estate investing. One of the best ways to generate passive income is through real estate investing. Whether it's rental properties or commercial properties, owning real estate can provide you with a steady stream of income. In my case, I own a few rental properties that generate a significant amount of passive income each month. The key to success in real estate investing is to buy properties in areas with high demand and reasonable rental rates. Idea number 2, dividend stocks. Another great way to generate passive income is through dividend stocks. These are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular income without having to sell your shares. I have a diverse portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, and they have provided me with a reliable source of passive income. Idea number 3, online courses. If you have knowledge or expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Creating an online course requires some upfront work, but once it's completed, it can generate passive income for years to come. I have a few online courses on personal finance and investing that have been selling well and generating passive income for me. Idea number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to generate passive income. Essentially, you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through a blog, social media, or YouTube channel. I have a few affiliate partnerships with companies that offer financial products and services, and I earn a commission on any sales made through my link. Idea number 5, renting out space. Finally, you can generate passive income by renting out space. This can include renting out a room in your home on platforms like Airbnb or renting out storage space in a spare room or garage. In my case, I own a few storage units that I rent out, and they provide me with a reliable source of passive income each month. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 5 passive income ideas that have helped me generate over $20,000 per month. Keep in mind that passive income requires some upfront work and investment, but it can provide you with financial freedom and security in the long run. I hope these ideas have been helpful, and I encourage you to explore the possibilities of passive income for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more finance and wealth building content.